Okay, dear students, now let's move to the next topic, that is parts of speech. Yes, parts of speech. Now, what is speech? First, we discuss what is speech. Yes, many of you might be thinking that speech is a word, and we know the meaning is speech. Sometimes the leaders come on the news channels and they give speech. Sometimes your friends come on the stage and give you speech. Yes, definitely that is the correct meaning, speech. But in English grammar, the meaning of speech is different, something different from that speech. Yes, the meaning of speech in English grammar is, suppose I am telling you some statement, I am giving you some statement, some declaration, some sentence or some quotation quoted by me, told by me, just like Ram is my best friend. This is a speech, and we can also tell it is a speech. Speech means the sentence which is told by me. That is also called speech. Now, speech means, generally we can say speech means a sentence. Now, sentence is a group of words. The group of words which gives us a full meaning. That is sentence. Now, there are some parts, because the sentence is consist of several words. Now we can categorize these words into different parts. That is what we are going to study, parts of speech. That all the parts, just like Ram is my best friend, it contains 5 words, and these 5 words are of different category. So what are these categories and how to categorize them into different categories? That is what we are going to learn in this topic. We have 8 category of words. Yes, 8 categories of words. We can classify the words of a sentence in these categories. First is noun. Some of the words which acts or play the role of noun. Second is pronoun. Third is adjective. Fourth one is verb. 5 is adverb. 6 preposition. 7 conjunction. And 8 interjection. Yes, these are the 8 parts of speech. Now in modern English, some people consider that we have one more part of speech, that is determiners. But we are not going so deep in the grammar up to our level of the 5th class. So I am going to introduce these 8 parts of speech in a easy language. Okay. Now, one by one, we will discuss about these all 8 parts, essential parts of the speech. Speech means sentence, the parts of the sentence or different category of the words. Now, first category of the word is noun. Yes. Do you know what is noun? Yes, many of you already knew that. Noun is the naming word. These are the words which gives the names to a person, a place, or many things. Just like this is marker. Marker is its name. So marker is a naming word. So it is a noun. This is board. Board is also a noun. We live in Khargon. Khargon is a name of place. Khargon, Indore, Dhar, Dhamnod. Every place has its unique name. So these particular names are also called nouns. Animals, they do have their different names: lion, buffalo, goat, tiger. So all the naming words, they are categorized in this category of noun. Okay, in detail I will give you in the next video. Second is pronoun. Yes, pronoun are the words which takes the place of noun, means which are generally used in place of noun. They are used to avoid the repetition of the nouns. Let me give you one example, just like Ram is playing football. He is my best friend. Now here two sentences are used. First sentence is Ram is playing football, and second is he is my best friend. Okay, in first sentence I have told you one name, Ram, and in the second sentence I have not told you the name Ram. Instead of Ram, I have used he. Now he is used in place of Ram. The name means the words which are used in place of noun, they are called pronoun. Means he, she, they, I, you, we, my, his, him. These all are the words which are used in place of names, any name. So these words are called pronoun. Means noun means naming words like Ram, Sonu, Monu, etc. Okay, pronouns, they are used in place of noun, just like he, she, etc. Okay. Now come to the third category of the words, third parts of speech, that is adjective. Adjective. Adjectives are the words which defines these nouns or pronouns more effectively. Means they add some meaning to noun and pronoun. They tell some quality, something else in addition to the noun or pronoun. Just like we can say some qualities: good, bad, beautiful, fast, tall, short, fat, thin. These are some qualities of people or the things which these words can define more about noun and pronoun. We can say in one word, quality showing. They define qualities, but qualities of what? Qualities of noun or pronoun. Just like Ram is a good boy. Good. Good is a word which defines the quality of Ram or boy. Good. Bad, tall, thin. These are the different qualities. So these qualities can be defined by these words. The nouns and pronouns can be more effectively qualified by these words. So these words are called adjectives. Now let's come to the next word, that is verb. Verb. What is verb? In simple meaning or simple words, we can say words. Words are the some category of words which can show us some actions. Yes, action words. Action words. Action words which show us some action, some movement. Just like I am teaching. So teaching is an action. You are studying, you are learning. Learning is a action word. They are playing, play. Play is a verb. So these type of words which show us some actions, they are called verbs. Just like play, eat, sing a song, like etc. These action words are called verbs. They can be defined as a verb. Now what are adverbs? Adverbs. By its own name, we can say its own name can define it. Just like add plus verb means some words they can qualify the verbs more effectively. They can qualify the verbs more effectively. This is called adverbs. Means adverbs are the words which shows the quality of verb. Here adjective shows the quality of noun and pronoun, but adverbs they define the quality of verb. Uh, Quality in simple words I am making you understand that these are the quality showing quality showing words, but for the used for the verbs only, not for nouns and pronoun. This is the simple difference between this adverb and adjective. Okay, now like what adverb? I am teaching English. So I am teaching English. Now how I am teaching? You can say, sir, you are teaching English nice or nicely. So nice or nicely, these two words can define my action, teaching, how I am teaching. Just like, sir, you are teaching very nice. So very nice, these are the words which defines my action. Okay, they are running. They are running. Okay, running is a verb. Running is a verb. But how can we define the running? Just like they are running very fast. Fastly. You can say fastly. So fastly is a word which can define the verb of the action of running, that is very fast, very slow, or any other quality you can define by this adverb. Just like she is dancing very gracefully. He is writing very beautifully. Beautifully, wonderfully. These are the words which can define the action or the verbs. So thus the words which can define the verbs more effectively, they are called adverbs. Okay. Now come to the preposition. Okay. Prepositions are the words. In simple language, I would tell you, prepositions are the words which show the positions. Positions. Whose positions? The position of something. Just like this duster is kept on the table. This duster is kept on the table. On the table. On is the word which shows the position of this object. This duster is kept on the table. So on is a word which shows the position. If I say this duster is kept below the table, under the table. So below and under, these are the word which shows the position of the object. Yes, I have kept one pen in my pocket. In my pocket. Inside my pocket. On, in, beside, above, below. These all are the words, the examples which shows the position of any object in any sentence. So in simple language, try to understand. Preposition itself consists of position. So you can easily remember that prepositions are the words which shows the position of object in easy language. Okay. Now come to the conjunctions. Conjunctions. Okay, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the words which which joins two words or two full sentences. Two words or two sentences. To conjunct these two words or two sentences, we need some words. These words are called conjunctions. Just like in the train, we have two bogies, and these two bogies can be conjuncted by each other with each other with the help of some iron rod. Okay, some chain. So that thing which is used to conjunct these two bogies, that is called conjunction. Like that. Conjunctions are joining words. Joining words. Just like and by using this word and, we can join two words or two sentences, just like uh, board and marker. Board and marker, two words. Board, marker, we are adding them with help of and. Board and marker. Okay. Ram and Shyam. Ram and Shyam are brothers. Okay. Ram and Shyam, we are adding two words, Ram and Shyam, with the help of and. These are the example of joining two words, but like this, we can also similarly add two sentences, just like Ram is a good boy and Shyam is also a good boy. Now I am adding two sentences with the help of and or but. There are so many. In the upcoming videos, I will tell you in detail how to use these conjunctions. Okay. The last one, the last category or the last part of speech is interjection. Now, what is interjection? Interjection are the words. They are used to show our sudden feelings, sudden feeling of surprise, feeling of happiness, feeling of being hurt, or feeling of sad. All these type of feeling can come automatically out of our mouth when we face some situations. Just like if I shocked to see something, oh, what happened? Oh my God! Ouch! I hurt my leg. What? Wow! Hooray! We won the match. So these small words which show our feelings, deep feelings, sudden feelings, which express our feelings. These words are called interjections. It's like wow. It shows our surprise. What? What happened? Oh my God. Oh, ouch. These type of words are used to show our sudden expression, sudden feeling, deep feeling from our heart, and they are sudden. So, after these words, we always use exclamation mark. So, these words are called exclamatory words also, and these are also called interjections. So, these are the categories of the words. When they are arranged in a sequence, they give us full meaning to a sentence. So speech means generally you can say speech means sentence. So parts of sentence. The parts of sentence means the words by which it is made. So that words by which a sentence is made, that words can be categorized in different parts. There are 8 parts, and this is only a general introduction to you to understand what are the 8 different parts of speech. Now one by one we will take the topics and we will discuss it in detail. Okay, thank you.